So let's break this down. Phase 2. One of the things that we teach our guys, and I think it's useful for you, is the value of the maintenance agreement. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean that each maintenance task, so if this is $169, our value of our maintenance is about $1,200. How do we come up with that? Well, we sat down and we simply looked at the maintenance agreement that I'll show you over here, and we said, if we were going to execute each one of these repairs, what is it that we would charge in the open marketplace? So if a customer called us with a breakdown and we had to actually execute the crisis repair, and we looked at that and we added up as a set of stacked repairs even with the discounts, what does the value translate to the client? And the answer, it's worth about $1,200. So $1,200 versus the price of the actual agreement at $169 seems like a really good economic deal. But again, remember, the client is in a position where I'm maybe paying $650 today. Why do I want to give you another $169? I'm not in a good place this way. So this issue of understanding how the value of a maintenance agreement is connected, basically how the construction of the agreement works out, is an important conversation for us to have as service technicians with ourselves, with our service management function, so that we understand the ability to talk to a client. When a client says, well, why would I want to spend $169? I mean, I just spent X with you. Didn't you do this already? And the answer to that is, well, it's mechanical, of course, and so, the coil will get dirty again, and, as we change filters and so forth, we need to come back and we need to make sure that all the conditions of the equipment are checked at least twice a year. So the value of your repairs then, whatever you're doing, has to be listed. You have to know what that is, and I'll show you what ours looks like. So we literally can show the client, well, this is what we're going to do to your system.